Hello traders, Gary Wagner here, just about 12:30 in Honolulu, 6:30 in New York. It is Monday, May 18th, 2020, and this is the daily report for gold and silver. Although gold traded to a high of 1775 in the evening session, as it went into New York, an announcement was made by a biotech firm that they had the first trial or first phase of a vaccine successful, although it was a very small subject amount. We saw the stock market rally. We saw gold trade down. It was down about $22. At this point, it is trading at $1736.20 and coming back off of the lows that it hit today, which were $1725. We'll take a look at our prices and then we'll take a look at the markets through our technical studies. Gold futures did sell off sharply today, currently down $22.20, trading at $1734.10. This in response to a biotech company releasing information from a phase 1 vaccine that seems to have helped with antibodies in patients that have had COVID-19. This sent the stock market tremendously higher and also put some very strong pressure on gold. When we look at spot pricing, that is down about $8.90 at $1732.10. Platinum traded higher today by the tune of $41.50 at $858.60. Palladium was up a whopping 9%, a net gain of $167.60. And silver also gained on the day, gaining 1.46%. And that is a 25-cent gain at $17.32. The interesting thing is all of this occurred with some pretty strong dollar weakness, down 0.8% at 99.61. We are looking at a daily candlestick chart, and we can see that the day's activity really took the market to a high that we have not seen. In fact, it is the only high that is below the all-time record high this year at $1,788. The high below that was at about 65, and you can see that it surpassed that, going to approximately $1,775 before selling lower. Traders, we are looking at a daily chart of June gold, and you can see the tremendous range that came in today. In fact, it is the highest intraday price that we've seen gold trade to this year, with the exception of that came in the first or second week of April. It took out this particular top here at 65 before trading lower on the day and is currently at 1734.40. And traders, when we look at a short-term chart, this is a 240-minute candlestick chart, we can see that it really was 1 4-hour period in which we had this meltdown as the news came out about a potential vaccine that is now entered phase 1 and is set to enter phase 2 that seems to have some hope behind it. We are looking at a 240-minute chart of the dollar index, and we can definitely see how it sold off and sold off strongly. It was really an 8-hour period with the dollar in which it really sold off to some lows that match these recent lows that come in at about 99.50, and that is where I would peg minor support for the dollar index. I would put major support at the area of these tops right here, just above 100 to 101. We are looking at the Dow Jones Industrial Average. That gained almost 4%, 3.85%. The one thing that is extremely noteworthy is the fact the gap that was created from the close on Friday to the open today. Typically, you will see them come and backfill a gap, so it wouldn't surprise me over the next couple of days to see this market come and backfill, even if it remains bullish. And traders, with the exception of gold, silver, platinum, and palladium closed higher, and in the case of palladium, strongly higher, up 9% on the day, a net gain of $167 per ounce. That is a tremendous swing for that precious white metal, taking it back above 2,000, currently trading at $2,027.10 per ounce. This has been Gary Wagner, wishing you as always good trading. We will talk to you tomorrow for the next daily update and review.